like to congratulate your Congress and of course Joseph and Kevin and Tony and the President and all you Congress militants here together at the occasion of your extraordinary Congress of the General Workers' Union. The future is now, and I think that we can go along together to build up this future, to shape this future. It's an opportunity to address this Congress, and certainly as Europe's policies currently followed are too defensive and do not help restore confidence amongst workers. The responsibility of that situation does not fall only on the Commission, on Europe, as some would say, on Brussels, but also on the Member States themselves. And yet, I firmly believe that Europe is part of the solution, but Europe needs to catch a second wind. First of all, that there is no life and no jobs on a dead planet. Climate change imposes itself on us and represents a challenge. However, we should consider it as an opportunity as well, an unprecedented opportunity to create high-quality jobs, to fight inequalities, and thereby strengthen our democracies. That's the reason why we want a just transition towards a low-carbon economy, towards further digitalization and automation, towards a fairer globalization and international trade.